Guys, it's me, this guy. Yeah, so let's just go into my realm. The fuck? Yeah, so guys, forget about this episode. Sorry about this. I don't know what the fuck. They did a fucking update and all my stuff just gone away. So, like, which skin? Yeah, all my stuff got exit and all that stuff. Yeah, so I'm gonna go do some dropper. Peace. Don't know how to say this. Subscribe, please, to my channel. I wanted it so bad to do this series, but I can't, so you're never gonna hear me again. Goodbye, guys. You don't see me? Bye.